Our question is, a bank has a USD 4 million portfolio available for investing. The cost of funds for the 4 million in 5.5 percentage, the bank lends 50% of the assets to domestic customers for an average loan rate of 7.35 percentage. The rest of the portfolio is lent to some UK clients at 8 percentage at a current exchange rate of USD 1.62 per GBP. This refers to as GBP is the base currency. 1 GBP gives 1.62 US dollars. At the same time, the bank sells a forward contract to eliminate exchange rate risk equal to the expected receipts 1 year from now. The forward rate is USD 1.52 per GBP. The net interest margin on the bank's investment balance sheet is closest to, and these are the question options. Now I hope you will go through the questions once again as I am holding it steady. Go through the question, try to find out the given prospects, and I will give you the details. You are a bank. Bank gets 4 million. Loan, not loan, it's deposit, okay? Deposit at an expense of 5.5 percentage. So whatever happens, this bank has to pay 5.5 percentage interest IR, interest upon this 4 million to the depositor. So this will be the outflow at every year. And somehow, to make money, you have to loan this 4 million to others such that your net should be above 5.5 percentage, and the difference between that net is your profit. So net will be whatever the income that they generate minus the outflow. Now what is the incoming that they are going to get? Income is equal to weightage 1 into interest rate 1 plus weightage 2 into interest rate 2. What is weightage? In question there is given that bank lends 50% of the assets to domestic customers at an average loan rate of 7.35. So 50% is the weight at an average in loan rate of 7.35 percentage. Correct? Now this 50% plus next 50% they give away to the confusing part. Confusing part means that GBP, USD, exchange rate, forward exchange rate, that mathematics will give you the interest rate too. So once again, net will be the income generated from this minus the outflow at 5.5 for 4 million, and 50% of 4 million is 2 million into 7.35 percentage of 2 million. We can do the math here, easy, right? You will get an answer. Let's come to this point. We know 2 million into something that they did between USD, GBP, and that 8 percentage they have given to outside player. After 1 year they will get some money, and it has been already locked at forward rate, forward contract, and so on. So let's do that math. आवाज का. Now back to the question. Bank had 2 million. Always remember 2 million or whatever million it is 3 zeros. We are Indians, we have a habit of writing 1 2 3 comma 1 2 thousands comma 2. So this is how Indians write. We in CFA or FRM questions we try to write it like this. So always don't forget 6 zeros from 1. So this means 2 million. If it is 20 million, 20 likho, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 20 million. 100 million, 1000 million, now we can write it. Don't go for this jargon, you will get confused. Now we now know that this is 2 million. Now we are going to write 220 millions. In Indian terms, we will write it like this. Now it is not 20, even though it is 20 million, we will read it like 200 or 2 million maybe. So don't get confused. This is the best method. Got it? 2 million USD gave to a GBP guy at 8%. Now the exchange rate. Now we from bank we sent $2 million. But the guy who is in UK, who is going to pay us 8% interest rate, will be getting that money as GBP. Now how much GBP? It is USD 1.62 divided by GBP. Right? That's what they are giving. Is equal to how much? Now let's do the math. This USD into 1.62 USD will give us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. 1,234,568. What is the numerator here? USD divided by GBP, right? That's the denominator here. You see the question mark. Got it? Right? Now we have done a mistake here. This part is this. That means whatever it is here, we have given this mathematics. And this GBP goes to the other side and this becomes GBP. Got it? Not USD. I will repeat once again. We had USD into USD divided by GBP as a question. We got some X variable. Now this X variable is equal to USD is equal to X GBP. Right? Because the GBP will cross go. So this X GBP is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 GBP for 2 million USD into 1.62 per GBP. So this much amount went to the UK guy. That guy will pay 8% interest upon this amount. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 into 8% will give some amount that we will add to the principal, that is 1.08 into 1.08. How is this 1.08 coming in price of 8%? Principal is equal to 1 plus R already is equal to R. So here R is 1 plus 0.08. Principal is this amount 1.08 into principal. This is the after interest payment. So this amount will come to as 1,333,333. Do the math and you will get it. 1,333,333 is the one. After 1 year, this much amount will come as GBP. In GBP, not in USD. Okay, in GBP we are going to get this much amount. We are going to read the question once again. At the same time, the bank sells a forward contract to eliminate exchange rate equal to the expected receipt 1 year from now. So bank has sold one forward contract at an exchange rate of forward contract rate is 1.52 per GBP. So 1.52 USD divided by GBP. GBP is the face. Into the what is the expected rate after 8%? 133,333 GBP. So what we are going to get? USD divided by GBP into GBP is equal to GBP will get cut. The remaining answer will be in USD. So 1.5 into this is, we are going to get an answer as 2,026,666 USD, right? So this was the forward rate locked, and we already did the calculation that okay, after 1 year as a bank I will get 1333333 GBP at the exchange rate of 1.62 that I did 1 year back. And on the same day I took 1 year forward contract at 1.52 and did the math and calculated like I will get this much amount after 1 year. So I have locked my money. I have locked this my money at first year, right? Now we have to find, we remember the question. Net is equal to our incoming minus outflow is equal to, we got W1 R1 plus W2 R2 minus 4 millions into 5.5 percentage. Now W1 into R1 was 2 million into 7.35 percentage plus 2 million into R2. Now this R2 was, how to find the R2? We gave R2 is like, we are going to get R as $2,026,666 that we get divided by 2 million rupees that we gave minus 1. What is minus 1? Always we need to find the percentage, right? This is a percentage, so this has to be percentage. So forward future money minus spot money divided by spot is this percentage of change. Future by spot minus 1 is equal to percentage. This future by spot minus 1 will be 2026666 divided by 2 million minus 1, and this answer comes to like 1.33 percentage. So 1.33 percentage we are going to get, right? Hence 2 million into, not 2 million, sorry, we don't want to convert anything into percentage. That is, we have 0.5 into 7.35 percentage plus 0.5 into 1.33 percentage is equal to 4.34 percentage. This is the income. Our outflow was is equal to 5.5 percentage. Now 4.34 minus 5.5 percentage, clearly it is negative 1.16 percentage. So at the end bank lost 1.16 percentage after all these maths. They took 4 million loan, paid 5.5% per annum, gave half of the money at 7.35 percentage. Rest of the half they did some calculation giving 8%, giving at 8% GBP, not USD, 8% GBP to the other client. From that client they got the money back after 1 year at a calculated price. But as you can see, it's like an US guy gave you $1 million to an Indian guy, and Indian guy deposited that $1 million in bank at 8%. We know that Indian bank FD is 8%. Even though the US guy seems happy because he is getting 8%, when the money comes back to him, right? When the money comes back to him from INR to USD, his net return are like 1.3%. Here instead of INR it is GBP, but you got the game. Instead of 8, even though for the GBP guy he gave a pound guy, UK client, he lost 8% as interest. The American guy is going, American bank, USD bank is fetching only 1.33% out of entire game. This is inflation. This is how currency exchange rates. What happened at 1.33? Do we remember? The exchange rate was 1.5, right, and 1.6. Today it is 1.6. You are going to get GBP. So 1 GB pound you pay, you will get 1.60. After 1 year, for same 1 pound you are going to get less US dollar, 1.5 US dollar. This is the key.